Hey folks, this is Rob Wells here from the law office of Robert M. Wells. We help out landlords with dealing with their landlord-tenant problems. I'll come into you with a special bulletin. I just got word from a good source of mine in the legislative office with the California legislature that the legislature's at it again, folks, extending the eviction moratorium for non-payment of rent and the rental assistance program. Literally, just AB 2179 just came onto the books as of this morning, March 24th, 2022. The bill looks like it's extending the eviction protections for rental assistance applications that haven't been processed for landlords and tenants that have applied for rental assistance. Currently, the program is set to expire next week on March 31st. And apparently there's some folks at the legislature, particularly Assembly Member Grayson has apparently sponsored this bill to extend the rental assistance program for about 3 months, or the eviction protections. It doesn't look like that the rental assistance program is being extended, but the eviction protections with requiring landlords to file a rental assistance application and giving tenants time and the state time to actually pay out rental assistance. It appears that if these eviction protections will be in effect through July 1st, 2022, if there is a pending application by a tenant entered in before March 31st. I haven't been able to look through this bill. There's a bunch of red lines and things crossed out in it. A lot of it, from just first glance of it, to me doesn't make sense, so I'm gonna have to really sit down and read that and see what it entails for you landlords and property managers, what's gonna happen. In a nutshell though, it appears though it's protecting tenants that may have a pending application. You will not be able to evict them if they have a pending application or if they've been approved for rental payments and the state hasn't issued payments yet, through July 1st, 2022, if the applications are timely submitted by March 31st, 2022. Literally, this just came out at 11 o'clock this morning, today, March 24th. So, got to look through the details here. I just want to give everyone a news blast here that the legislature is about to probably take this up next week from what my source is telling me. So, expect some more videos on this. They're at it again. The rental assistance madness is going to continue on, okay? Listen, landlords, property managers, if you're going through a situation where you're dealing with non-payment of rent and you need someone to talk to about how to deal with that situation, please feel free to reach out to us down below. I'll keep you updated. I just got to look through this mess right here. It's a bunch of pages here that, frankly, it doesn't make sense. And for all of y'all that have been dealing with the rental assistance process and the legislation, it's been a mess. It's been changing constantly, and no one knows what's going on. So hang in there. We're going to get through this. Until next time, I'll talk to you then. Thanks.